Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Summary Spot. If you're new here, this is your one-stop destination for book summaries, thought-provoking insights, and knowledge-packed discussions. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and futuristic topic, AI, ChatGPT, and the race that will change the world. Stay tuned till the end because this isn't just about AI. It's about how it's shaping the future of humanity, and trust me, you don't want to miss a thing. 1. Introduction to AI and the race. Artificial intelligence, two words that have the power to redefine our world. From self-driving cars to tools like ChatGPT, AI is changing how we live, work, and connect. But here's the twist. It's not just about technology. It's a race between countries, companies, and individuals to lead this revolution. 2. What is ChatGPT? Let's talk about ChatGPT, one of the most exciting AI developments in recent years. Developed by OpenAI, it's a conversational AI that can write essays, code, answer questions, and even hold creative discussions. Think of it as your super smart, tireless assistant available 24/7. But here's the kicker. It's not just ChatGPT. Every tech giant, Google, Microsoft, Tesla, and even governments, is part of this race to dominate AI.
Why?
Because the one who leads AI might lead the world. 3. How AI is changing the world. AI is not just a tool. It's a game changer in every field. Let me break it down for you. In healthcare, AI diagnoses diseases faster than doctors. In education, tools like ChatGPT provide personalized learning for every student. In climate change, AI predicts weather patterns and helps optimize renewable energy. It's like giving humanity a cheat code to solve its biggest problems. 4. The challenges of AI. But every revolution comes with challenges. Ethical concerns. What happens if AI spreads fake news or becomes biased? Job displacement. What will happen to workers when automation takes over? AI safety. How do we make sure AI aligns with human values and doesn't go rogue? 5. The road ahead. So, how do we ensure AI benefits everyone? Governments and tech leaders need to collaborate for ethical AI development. People like you and me need to adapt, learn, and stay ahead of the curve. Because here's the truth. AI isn't the future. It's already here. And that's the thrilling story of the AI race that's changing the world. If you watch till the end, give yourself a pat on the back. You've just gained insights into one of the most important topics of our time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing summaries and deep dives. Comment below, how do you think AI will impact our lives in the next 10 years? Remember, at the Summary Spot, we're not just learning, we're growing together. Stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge, and I'll see you in the next one. Knowledge is power. Watching till the end means you're ahead in this AI race.